know your worth. So it's really important that we should know ourselves and we should feel confident within ourselves. And so what happen is that if we don't feel happy within it from inside, and we don't feel confident within ourselves, within our abilities, within our skills, so what happen is that people start treating you the same way you are treating to yourself. You don't believe in yourself, people will definitely treat you like that you are nothing, you don't know anything, and you can't do anything. So they will definitely and continuously demotivate you, degrade you in presence of others. So it's really important before giving any kind of these kind of immunity to anyone. So you should know your worth, you should know, feel confident within yourself, and you should know that you can do everything whatever you want to do. You are worth it, and no one has a right to criticize you unnecessarily. Constructive feedback is very important if you really want to grow in your career, but the thing is there is a limit for everything. If people continuously just pointing out your mistakes and not able to and see your abilities and efforts and hard work, so that means something is not right. So it's time to make distance from that person if possible. Otherwise you really need to know how to speak up and when to speak up. It doesn't mean that you should just start shouting to that person. No, you can say your point of view in a very polite way, but that's only possible if you know your work, you know that you can do everything, and you are so you can give so much to others in your work and make a difference. And so you, but for that you should believe in yourself. If you can't do this, you just continuously going through some kind of anxiety, low self-esteem. If something says something to you and criticize your work, and then you just start blaming yourself that I can't do this, I'm not going to be successful ever. So these kind of things are just giving making a very negative impact on you. You should talk positive to yourself and just believe in yourself that I can do this. So that's how you can make a huge difference in the society, in your work. But for that you have to be confident within yourself. So the way you treat yourself, people will treat you the same way you treated yourself. So it's really important, it's a high time that you should know yourself, believe in yourself, and trust your abilities and go for the kill. Thank you so much. Bye.